Morning, children. Today I am going to teach you our new grammar book and new grammar lessons. So, English grammar is very important to speak or to learn good English. See, if you can't say or you can't use words without knowing grammar, if you don't know grammar, how can you use the words in a proper order? So, you must learn grammar in order to speak good English. So, see, children, this is our new English grammar book. New English grammar book. Fun with grammar. Fun with grammar. Okay, let us see our first lesson. Alphabet fun. Alphabet fun. What is the spelling of alphabet? ALPHABET. Alphabet FUN. Fun. As I said, in English we have a set of letters in a fixed order. In a fixed order means all the letters should be in proper order. We shouldn't write A, Z, C, D, E, F like that. We have to write the alphabet or the letters in the alphabet in a proper order. Okay, all the letters have proper order of their place. Okay, they should be written on their place only. We shouldn't write first B, C, A like that. We have to write in a proper alphabetical order. That order is nothing but fixed order. In English, we have a set of letters in a fixed order. How many letters in that set? Yeah, there are 26 letters in English alphabet. How many letters we have? 26 letters in alphabet. See, we have only one alphabet. We have only one alphabet. In that one alphabet, we have 26 letters. So, if anybody asks you how many alphabet are there, you should have to tell only one alphabet. If anybody asks you how many letters in that alphabet, you have to tell them 26 letters. Okay, these 26 letters make up the alphabet family. By writing all the letters in a proper order, by writing all the letters in a proper order, make alphabet family. Okay, by writing all the letters in a proper order, making alphabet family. So we write these 26 letters in two ways. Actually, we write in four ways, right? We have to write in four ways, but especially or these two letters we use. Generally we use these two letters, but we have four sets of alphabet, but most we use these two letters. What? Capital letters and small letters. Okay, capital letters and small letters. See, these capital letters are also known as block letters. These capital letters are also known as block letters or uppercase letters or uppercase letters. Okay, what is the another name for capital letters? Block letters and uppercase letters. See, these small letters are also known as lowercase letters. These smaller letters are also known as lowercase letters. Okay, see, if we write or if we written ABCDs like this, these are capital letters. If we write ABCDs in this method, in this way, those are small letters. Okay, so see, repeat after me. Capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, capital E, capital F, capital Z, capital H, capital I, capital J, capital K, L, capital M, capital N, capital O, capital P, capital Q, capital R, capital S, capital T, capital U, capital V, capital W, capital X, capital Y and capital Z. Small a, small b, small c, small d, small e, small f, small z, small h, small I, small j, small k, small l, small m, small n, small o, small p, small q, small r, small s, small t, small u, small v and small w, small x, small y and small z. See, these two set of alphabet you have already learned previously, right? So you have already know these ABCDs. So in the 26 letters, in these 26 letters or out of these 26 letters, 5 letters are vowels. In these 26 letters or in these 26 letters, 5 letters are vowels. What are the vowels? How many vowels we have? We have 5 vowels. How many vowels we have? We have 5 vowels. Okay. So, what are those? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are called vowels. Okay. The letters other than vowels are called consonants. What are the letters other than these vowels? B, C, D, F, Z, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z are consonants. Okay, let me ask you one question. Why these 5 letters only vowels? Okay, I will tell you why these 5 letters only vowels. Because these 5 letters can make 2 sounds. These 5 letters can make 2 sounds while pronunciation. For example, umbrella and uniform. See here, umbrella. Pronunciation is uniform. U. It can be pronounced as and it can also be pronounced as U. Okay. So, all these letters can pronounce in 2 ways. Okay, remaining all letters shouldn't pronounce like that. Only these 5 letters can pronounce like that. So, these 5 letters are vowels. These 5 letters are vowels. See, alphabetical order. What is meant by alphabetical order? Do you know what is meant by alphabetical order? I have already told you. See, check the spelling. ALPHABETICAL. Alphabetical order. The order in which we recall all the letters of the English alphabet family is the alphabetical order. Example, when we write A, B, C, D, E, all the letters are in alphabetical order. When we write A, D, P, C, the letters are not in alphabetical order. As I told you, what is alphabetical order? If we arrange all the letters in the alphabet in a proper order or in a correct order, then it make alphabetical order. Okay, then it make alphabetical order of letters. So see our first section or first Roman A. Arrange the following group of words in alphabetical order. So what is alphabetical order? We have to arrange the letters in proper order. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, like that. In a proper order. Okay. That is called alphabetical order. So here they have asked us arrange the words. See here letters are arranged. Letters A, B, C, D are arranged in proper order and that is known as alphabetical order. Here they have asked us to arrange words. In a alphabetical order. They have given us a hint. The first letter of every word helps us write the word in a alphabetical order. So what we have to do? We have to first we have to see what is the first letter. What is the first letter of the word given to us? Then we have to arrange them in a particular order. See which letter comes. See the first letter of bat B, ant A, cat C, dog D, pan P, right? So out of all these first letters of each word, which letter comes first? A comes first. A for ant. Next B. B for bat. Which letter comes after B? D, P or C? Which letter? C. So cat. Which letter comes after C? D or P? D, right? So dog. So which letter comes after D? Only one word is remaining, that is pan. So after dog we have to write pan. This is the example given to us. So we have to write, we have to do all these exercises. 1, 2, 3, 5. 5 exercises were given to us. We have to do all these 5 exercises. Okay. So see. S-A-T, sat. What is the first letter? S. M-A-T, mat. What is the first letter? M. P-A-T, pat. What is the first letter? P. D-A-D, dad. What is the first letter? D. F-A-T, fat. What is the first letter? Fat. So in alphabetical order, A to Z. A to Z. So which letter comes? Does S comes first? No. M? No. P? No. D. C. D. D comes first. When compared to all these letters, D comes first. So we have to write dad first. D-A-D, dad. Okay. See, D comes first. In alphabetical order, D comes first, right? Which letter comes after D? A, B, C, D, E, F, Z, H. So, after D, F comes. After D, F comes. F, A, T, fat. Z, after F, what are the letters? Z, H, I, J, K, L, M. Which letter comes? M. M-A-T, mat. M-A-T, mat. See, M after N, O, P, P. P comes. M after which letter comes? P comes. P-A-T, pat. So, what is the letter remaining? S. S-A-T, sat. So, see, I have done this for you. What is the first letter of P-A? P-A, papa. P. B-Y-E, by. B-Y-E, by. L-O-V-E, love. What is the letter? L. Y-O-U. What is the letter? Y. T-W-O, two. What is the first letter? T. So, P, B, L, Y, T. So, in alphabetical order, which letter in all these words comes first? B comes first. After L. B, first we have to write by. After love. After papa. After T comes. So TWO, two. After U. YOU, U. So you have to fill all the blanks in a proper order. See. T-A-L-L, tall. Which letter comes first? T. P-O-N-Y, pony. What is the first letter? P. S-O-R-R-Y, sorry. What is the first letter? S. F-A-N, fan. What is the first letter? F. M-E-R-R-Y, Mary. What is the first letter? M. So, in alphabetical order, out of these 5 first letters, see. T, P, S, F, M. Which letter comes in alphabetical order? Which letter comes first in alphabetical order? F. Okay. F after M, M after P, P after S, S after T. So see, FAN fan, MERRY Mary, PONY pony, SORRY sorry, and TALL tall. Okay. So see. See this EAT, eat. What is the first letter? E. BEAT, beat. B. What is the first letter in this word? SEAT, seat. S. So TREAT, treat. TREAT, treat. In alphabetical order, which letter comes first out of these four letters? B comes first. So we have to write first beat. After B, E comes. So we have to write eat. Which letter comes after E? N comes. Neat. N comes neat. After N after seat. S after treat. Okay. S after treat. Seat after treat. What have you seen this? Treat. T R E A T. Treat. Okay. See next. So what is the first letter in weep? W. Keep. KEP, keep. LEAP, leap. L. REAP, reap. R. SLEEP, sleep. S. So which letter comes first in alphabetical family? K. So you have to write first keep, after leap, after reap, after sleep, after weep. So see, if words are given to you like this, if words are given to you like this, so if words are given to you in this way and asked you to write in alphabetical order, first you have to see the first letter of each word. First you have to identify the first letter of each word. After that you have to identify which letter comes in alphabetical order, which letter comes first in alphabetical order. So that word you have to write first. Okay, in this manner you have to fill all these 5 Romans, all these 5 blanks. Okay, so see the next one. Fill in the blanks with vowels to complete these words. How many vowels we have? 5 vowels. What are they? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O or U. Okay, we have to use A, E, I, O or U in each bracket. Okay, so see, what is this? Hand. Which vowel comes in this blank? A. Which vowel comes in this blank? A. H-A-N-D. Hand. Which vowel comes? What is this? Fish. What is the spelling of fish? F-I-S-H, fish. So which vowel comes in this blank? I. What is this? What is this? Dragon. So which vowels comes here? You have to use only vowels. Okay. D-R-A-G-O-N. Dragon. What is this picture? Ant. What is the spelling of ant? A-N-T, ant. A is the vowel. You have to use vowels only. What is this? Fan. What is the spelling of fan? F-A-N. Fan. What is this? Puppy. P-U-P-P-Y. Puppy. U is a vowel. So which vowel comes in this bracket? What is this? Lock. L-O-C-K. Lock. What is this? Kite. What is the spelling of kite? K-I-T. I and E are the vowels. If you see, in each blank we have used only vowels. As the question asked us, fill in the blanks with only vowels. So we have filled all the blanks with vowels only. With vowels only. Okay, is it clear for you? Let us see the next Roman. Fill in the blanks with consonants to complete these words. In the B Roman we have used vowels to complete each blank. So in the C Roman we have to use consonants. In the C Roman we have to use consonants to fulfill the blanks. What is the first one? Pen. What is the spelling of pen? P-E-N, pen. P is a consonant. O, what is this? Owl. What is the spelling of owl? O-W-L, owl. W and L are the consonants. What is this? Tree. T-R-E, tree. T and R are also consonants. If you see here, P, we use P. It is a consonant. We use W and L. These both letters are also consonants. We use T and R. These both letters are also consonants. What is this? Moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. Okay. So M and N are also consonants. What is this? Rose. What is the spelling of rose? R-O-S-E, rose. S is also a consonants. What is this? What is this? This is bell. B-E-L-L, bell. B-E-L-L, bell. L and L are consonants. See this one? B-O-O-K, book. B-O-O-K, book. B and K both are consonants. B-I-R-D, bird. What is this? B-I-R-D, bird. So B and R both are consonants. If you see in this Roman, we use all the letters, all the missing letters are consonants. In this Roman, all the missing letters are consonants. Okay. Okay, children. So today's homework is you have to fill this grammar book, page number 5 and 6. In this grammar book itself. So you have to fill this page number 5 and 6. This is your today's homework. Hope you understand the lesson. Thank you.